Hello, it's Lois here. I'd like to wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a happy, healthy and creative New Year. I'd also like to take this opportunity to thank you so much for supporting me here on my YouTube channel. It's been lovely this year to be able to share with you some of my ideas. And thank you so much to those of you who have joined me on Patreon. And if anyone wants to come and join us on Patreon, we've got a lovely group there with some nice content starting to be done there. It's a new group, but it's building up slowly. I'll leave the link in the description below. And also for YouTube, please leave a comment if there's anything in particular you'd like me to cover next year, because I'd like my content to reflect some of the needs and thoughts that you have about your watercolour painting. For example, if you having difficulty with, say, trees or composition or paint mixing or anything like that, just leave a comment and my content next year will try and include these things, so hopefully it will be useful for you. Okay, I'm off now. Going to go and get the decorations up, and I'm looking forward to having a nice relaxing break with plenty of painting though. Take care then. Bye.